Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a pink holiday look. Like you can see, this is a pink holiday look for New Year, for Christmas, anyone you like. And to office, no, not to office, to a party, it's okay for that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my look, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep on watching the video. Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna be taking a wine color and I'm gonna be blending that in my transition area. So guys, I was supposed to use a red color, but the red color eyeshadow I have is really shiny and I don't want one that has any shiny particles at all. So I just want the normal one, and I didn't have, so that's why I used wine. I hope it also comes out well. So I'm using a gold too, and I'm using that gold to cool down the color. I don't want, you know, my eye look is actually pink and it doesn't, I don't want it to show that it's wine, so I'm just using that to cool it down. And next I'm gonna be taking my pink color here, the deep pink, and I'm gonna be applying that to my transition area to make it actually look pink. So the deal about this eyeshadow is that on the transition area, I don't want the pink to be too ash. I just want it to look, I want it to be obvious that it's pink, but not too obvious. Like, I don't want it to be too sharp. I want it to be a blended pink. So that's why I'm doing a lot of blending on that transition area. So after blending, I'm gonna be taking another brush and I'm gonna be applying black to the end of my lid. Yeah, I guess that's what they call it. I don't really know. If you know, please tell me. So that brush is not really good, so I'm gonna be taking an eyeshadow sponge. You know those small eyeshadow sponges that come in some eyeshadow palettes? Yeah, like they actually still do that in Nigeria. Yeah, that is it. That actually takes products more. I actually like it. It's just that you can't use it for all of your eye look. It's not that perfect, but it's good for applying product to your lid. So I'm just gonna be applying that very well. And after taking that, I'm gonna be using a concealer. So I'm gonna be applying concealer to my lid from the beginning to the middle. You know, I already applied black at the end, so it's just gonna be from the beginning to the middle. Yeah, like it is in the video. So applying that to the eyes, to the lid, like God. So I'm just leaving that to dry, and I'm gonna be applying a little powder. I don't know why I do that, but I just tend to do that. I like applying powder and the concealer. I think I saw it somewhere. Yeah. So I'm just applying the powder. So after that, I'm going with my pink color again, and I'm applying that to my lid. So guys, don't mind me using the big brush for my lid. That is not correct at all. Like when I was doing it, I found out that myself, like, no, it doesn't work. That's why I took the small sponge and applied it. Like that blending brush, that big brush is not okay for you to apply product to your lid. It just won't stay, it just won't come out well. So that's why I took the sponge. You can use any other brush you have that will actually, like, I think that should be a flat brush. Yeah, that will actually make it stay very well. So I'm just gonna be blending the black out into the color and the transition color, not the one on my lid. So guys, I've applied my foundation, my concealer, and I've applied powder to bake, and I've applied contour. Now I'm just blending out the contour. So guys, like, I did makeup for my sister, and she was like, she want the contour to be so obvious. Like, I never knew that some people that actually like contour that much. Like, she was asking me to like put that, like make it obvious. I have the video, I made a video of it. I'm gonna be uploading it next, so you can see. Though we didn't really talk in the video, so I'm just telling you guys, she actually likes a lot of contour. So I'm just gonna be taking that pink color and applying it to the bottom of my eyes. just to give it that pink look. Like, I'm so in love with pink. Like, I don't think I've ever done a pink makeup look, like, and I'm so eager to see how it comes out. The one I did in my last video on Christmas Day, that was actually purple, not really pink. So, and I actually, purple is my best color, so I actually like that better. So, I turned the video into a talk show. I'm sorry. So, I'm just applying bronzer. Like, I think I actually love talk through videos. Like, guys, tell me, do you want me to do talk through videos while I'm doing my makeup? Like, I can talk through it or do a chick chat. Like, tell me what you think. Do you just like me explaining what I'm doing on my face, or let me actually do a talk through? Leave it down in the comment below. Tell me. I really want to know. So, I guess I'm still blending out my bronzer. So now I'm gonna be applying lipstick. If you know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I love ombre looks. Like, I love ombre lipstick. So, and it's this one I almost do. Like, that's what I always do. So I'm using the pencil I use for my brows. I'm sorry I didn't show my brow. If you need how to do your brows like a professional, I have a video to that. I will leave the link down in the description below, so you can see how I did my brows. So it's just the brow pencil I used to line my lips, and I'm using the peach color for inside of my lips, and I'm putting a lip gloss, a pink lip gloss on it for it to look, there's harmattan right now in Nigeria, so if I just go out with my lips like that, it's gonna look really dry and it's gonna start breaking. So that's why I applied lip gloss. And now I'm applying my blush, guys. I don't think I've applied blush before, but since it's a pink makeup look, I'm just applying blush to make it look pink. So I applied my setting spray, and I'm trying to blend my neck color with my face. And next I'm gonna be applying mascara. You can apply setting spray on mascara. So after doing that, I guess just the end of my look. Tell me, guys, if you love this look. Like, give me a thumbs up. I think I deserve it because it actually came out really, really, really nice. So if you like this video, please